Summer is in front of us and we all like to eat ice creams in summer. So, today I am going to make popsicles which need only 3 ingredients. Let's begin the process. Okay, so let's make popsicles. To make popsicles, we need strawberry crush. If you don't have this flavor, you can also use flavors like mango, lychee, pineapple, any flavor you have in your home. If you don't have this one, you can also use similar products like this. Okay, now we're gonna need this one. This is chaat masala. And we need a glass like this, a spoon, and a bottle of water. And we need popsicle mold. Okay, let's begin the process. Now, I'm going to take here this glass, bottle of water, and one of these popsicle molds to measure that how much water I need. I am making 2 popsicles. Okay, let's measure it. Okay. So, this one, and I need one more. Okay, here it is. Woohoo! It's looking so tasty. Okay, let's put it on the glass. We need one more tablespoon. Okay, let's add this. And we need one more. Okay, let's add this one. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it well and put it aside. I'm gonna taste it once. Yes, it's tasty. Now we have to add chaat masala. We are going to adding 2 tablespoons of it. Each popsicles need 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Okay. Now we need the popsicle mold, and we will put it in, and we will put this in the popsicle mold. Okay. Place it in the popsicle mold, and now taking another one. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in freezer for 1 to 4 hours. Let's wait. So friends, it's time to taste our popsicles. And I am also going to tell you that how to remove the popsicle from the mold. from the freeze. Now let's see how it's made. See. Now I am going to remove the popsicles from their molds. So what you need, just take room temperature water and take popsicles and just dip the popsicle mold in room temperature water like this and slowly remove it. See, let's taste. It's so tasty. Don't forget to try my recipe and subscribe my channel. Thank you.